So this is a video talking about ordering sectional material. So this will be like pieces of bar, etc. So I'm in my purchase screen. I'm going to go purchase order entry. So the first thing we need to do is to populate the order header. So we'll create a new purchase order. You will get to know your supplier number. So it's I002 for, if I could only type, I002 for Impact Ireland. So you put in your due date when you need it for. You put in your promise date. This one's not mandatory. So in here we're ready now to save this, and you'll see then this allows the plus button to be shown. However, for advanced unit of materials, I would suggest that you do the lines detail and click here to add a new line. So the next one that I'm going to look for here is you can go and use the search function here. So it's EN3B, and this will bring up the list of materials. So the next one I'm doing is 1 inch. Okay, and on the last purchase order that I seen here, there was 120 lengths. So this figure will update, but I like to put in the number of lengths I want. Again, the number doesn't really matter, but in here it does. So we're going to create a new line. So we want 120 lengths. This figure here is in the meters, so 6 meter lengths, and then we need to choose 6 meters and hit OK, and this will say to update the quantity. So based on 120 lengths at 6 meters, it's 720 meters, and then we'll put in the cost per meter here. I've worked out roughly that this is 0.55. So this gives me a total order value of 396, which ties in quite well with the last purchase order that we had for, well, the old part number was BDMS 73001. So that's how to create the purchase order. I'm going to save this, and you'll see it puts the tax on it because this is a UK supplier. Go back to the order head and you need to approve it, and then once the supplier says they've got the PO and all the rest, you should use the confirm button, because that will show up on your records whether it's a confirmed order or an unfirmed order. So just to keep in the flow of this, we're going to actually book this order in. So I'm going to go then to the stores team, and we're going to go to receipt entry. This is a previous one I was working on, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to create a new receipt, and it's against the purchase order that we just made. And I'm going to give it a delivery note number, which would be on your paperwork, but I'm just going to put DN at the back of the PO number. I'm going to hit save. And then under lines detail, I'm going to create a new line. There's only one line on this order. If you want to see how many lines are on your order, you hit the search button and you'll see there's only one. So whenever we click the one, we're going to click attributes. So we're confirming that we got 120 lengths of 6 meters. Hit OK. And then you click the receive button. So this is what we've received into stock. Hit save. And then the last bit, which I will show you, is under very handy report. So I'm going to do stock status as of today, and I'm going to also include the inventory attributes. Again, I can make this report go to Gordon for plate steel, sectional steel. I can make it go to Andrew for engines, hydraulics, whatever. So this stock status report can be done automatically, so you get fresh information. But I'm going to run this right now for, as of today, for sectional material. I'm going to hit the print preview button. I can minimize this because we'll be using it again. And that's the report ran. So you'll see there we were ordering 1 inch. So there's the 1 inch. The backyard, we have 120 pieces, total 720 meters. And this is the unit cost. Sorry, best view that is average. So this is 720 meters, 720 meters, 0.55 average cost per meter of a total 396 stock unallocated. So hopefully this helps in the future. And you can see there, this report runs a live stock valuation. So hopefully that'll be of use to the purchasing team in the future.